Hello friends, welcome to my channel English with PK99. Today's story is about, or today's story is for those people who accept failure while marching towards success. Yes, actually, some people they decide to carry on a mission, but unfortunately what happened, they lose courage, and in between they lose the battle and stop their mission. But after listening to this story, believe me, you will change your decision, and whatever the mission or whatever the work or whatever success you deserve, you will not stop until you get that success. It's my challenge. Such a powerful story is of A.J. Cronin. You may have heard this name, A.J. Cronin, correct? A very popular writer. Story belongs to Scotland. There was a doctor named A.J. Cronin, a very popular doctor. You can't imagine, many patients used to come to him, not for treatment, just to meet him, because his nature was so good. People used to meet to him. People liked to meet to him. Such a great doctor he was. One day what happened, there was something, indigestion, or maybe he suffered something stomach trouble, or maybe stomach ache. He thought that it might be a regular stomach ache, but no. His family physician told him that he was suffering from gastric ulcer. And that time, their doctor, his family physician told him that he had to remain in a village for 6 months, and that is also completely on meal diet, only meal diet. Oh my God, what a great punishment. 6 months in a village, and that is on meal diet. But he had to listen. Now, in Scotland, at Fine Farm, the name of the village, he went there. The doctor, who was very busy, completely busy, 24-hour busy, had to remain a lonely life, and that is also in village. Undigestible. But he had to. There was no choice. Now, how to kill a time? That was a question. It was Scotland area, wonderful area. For some days he enjoyed the nature. But after some time what happened? It was very difficult for him to kill the time. Now, he remembered. Once he decided that he could write. Let's see. I will start. Once I plan in my life that I could write. Now, it's a good time to, fulfill that plan, to execute that plan. Yes. Now, he went to shop, purchased some books, notebooks, exercise book, and started to write a novel. You can't imagine, my dear student, for 2-3 hours, he couldn't write a single word. But he carried on his mission. After 2-3 days, he was writing 800 words a day. After some days, what happened? He was so perfect that he was writing 2000 words a day. He was writing half of the novel finished. Now, he got one DTP copy in our language, and he read that. After reading his own writing, he was very angry with himself. Oh my God, what have I written? If I don't like it, how can my readers like? He was very angry, and he angrily crushed that paper and threw in dustbin and came out of the house. Outside, it was raining. It was drizzling actually, and his farmer was working. His name was Angus. He told Angus, I was full. I wasted my time. The novel was really very absurd idea. I threw in dustbin. Really, I was foolish. Angus was just listening, his farmer. He told, Sir, I don't know whether I am right or wrong, but look at take my example. Here you see marshy land. Marshy land. My father worked hard to make it a cultivated land throughout his life, but he was not successful. Half of my life I spent in making this a good land. But as you know, still the work is going on. But sir, it may become the land, good land or not, That's not my choice, but I will carry on my work. I will carry on my work. The doctor was stunned. AG Conan was stunned. My God, my farmer is giving me the secret of success, whereas a doctor, I don't know it. He was angry with himself. He went inside, took the paper, dried in oven, started to write, because he remembered the farmer's word, I may get success or not, but I will carry on my work. He was just writing, he was carrying on, he was writing, take example, taking inspiration from farmer, and he finished a novel without thinking whether it is good or bad. Now the day came, he had to go to his city now, his home, and he got one telegram. The publisher said, congratulations sir, your novel has won the best novel or the best book, has been selected as the best novel. Sir, congratulations, your novel has been translated into many languages. Your novel is going to be changed into a film. Your novel will be serialized, it will make serials. Oh my God, the doctor was simply shocked. It was a present shock. The novel that he threw in the dustbin got such great dignity, such a great popularity, such a great privilege. He couldn't believe it. My dear, it happens with us. The work that we take, in the beginning we get failure. In the beginning we get depression. But it's our duty to carry on the work. We should not think whether it's good or bad. In our hand, just to carry on. Because good or bad, that is the ultimate choice of others. But in our hand, we should carry on the work. That's why I request you, whenever you possess or whenever you adopt any work, please carry on, don't stop, carry on. Because continuity is the greatest secret of success. In the beginning, you may suffer failure, you may face failure, but one fine day, that symptom will be lost. I hope you must have learned from this great story. Yes, so without miss, please subscribe my channel for such videos. And generally, I make such videos in two versions. One is Hindi, English, and such version totally in English. Okay, thanks a lot. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.